kinong thawan hakasi balang kilapan pau ya ka jingso khya ka bajur halor ka Jingkiew jong Nongpang HIV lani AIDS hakajila hakapor bakali jingkali hapo kaying darbar thawan kidkhot kiladawa ya ka jingyarap kerke bat kila jingyada kibaklan namar laong bakajila kaladon hakajingbon tam jong ka Jingpang HIV hakani kari Umentri kakot kakya uwailat mikishela ula pentip siya kaying darbar baki dan news pa sa kandai ngut ki jingyap ki bayadai bat ka Jingpang HIV lani AIDS hakini ki post nem balada ki jingken kat kum ki district ki pen baka East Khasi Hills kala don bon ki bayap hadu South pa lai pusan ngut bot sa ka West Giant Hills Shis ba arpulai ngut East Giant Hills kandai pho ngut ribhoy san puwe ngut Eastern West Khasi Hills khandriu ngut West Khasi Hills Prangut, Southwest Khasi Hills Nyongut, West Garo Hills Kandai East Garo Hills Saungut, South Garo Hills Laingut, North Garo Hills Iway, but Southwest Garo Hills Arngut. U MLA ka NPP umetap chande sangma ula penpau ya ka Jingskukya halor ka Jingkiew jong Nongpang ha East Khasi Hills, East Giant Hills, but West Giant Hills. Kilabo jingkali ya kidaw kiba penlong ya ki Jingkiew jong ka Jinglong Jingman da ka ba ay jingmod ba ki jing ha ka imlang salang bat ka Jingwan chakmat bantes hi da ka mon subha kila banlong kidaw kiba penlong banlap ya ka Jingpang ka ba khambun
stigma. So may I know the mind of the government.
So now it is over, but you can just.
I'll just supplement. I'll just give the reply, sir. So it's right, like rightly pointed by the honourable member, sir. Definitely, sir. Right. From the very beginning, sir, I already informed the House that the government has sanctioned that 5 years targeted plan is for this particular issue, sir. And sir, through this platform, I would like to thank the Assembly also because we have a Meghalaya Legislative Forum. So we used to meet from time to time, and then last time also under the leadership of Chief Minister and you, sir, we have met, and then in the past also, from the Meghalaya Legislative contribution from the MLAs, 1 Bolero van have been given to the people living with HIV. So it is a very good thing, sir, and then even the Chief Minister also have been discussing that very soon we are going to have again this meeting. So through this platform, sir, I urge and all other members also to please join hand and please speak about this. Please urge the citizen of the state to come forward, and also at the same time, I want to inform each and everyone, to the people of the state, that HIV/AIDS is no longer a death sentence. It can be treated. It cannot be cured, but it can be treated by regular taking by this medicine. They can live a normal and dignified life, sir. So this is my submission. Thank you.